Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to an update on Gala, which I covered quite a bit last week after it was showing a lot of bullish momentum. And now we're covering it again because it's not really showing that bullish momentum again, but it's still quite volatile. Like the volume and etc. is still quite high. And I know that there's a very big community around Gala, also around Cilinix Crypto. So welcome back, Gala community, and that's interested in it. So I just wanted to give you a full update, hopefully, and my goal is always to tell you everything you need to know regarding Gala. So that's what we'll do. So that at the end of this video, which will hopefully not be too long, you'll know everything you need to know. So that's what we'll do. First of all, if you take a look at the technicals right now for Gala, basically since it dropped down below 1.5, but also 1.525, which is this area, right? Once it broke down below that area, Gala was, I wouldn't say it's bearish right now, but it lost its bullish momentum. Like right now, it's way more likely, which you can also see by the ADX, which is below 20. So that indicates that the market is not trending, which means it's in a consolidation. And apart from that, the EMAs right here in the middle are also practically flat, which is also an indication of a consolidation. So that's the technical situation for Gala right now. And then the big question is well, all right, but where will that lead us? Can we still get a bullish breakout? Can we get that again? Or is it more likely that we will drop down? And before we talk about that, I do want to briefly mention, because I don't think I did, is that I have my own premium trading group. If that's not interesting, just skip ahead 20 seconds, but I share my own trades. I'm a profitable trader, and you gain access to a chat room full of traders, my trading guide. So if you actually want to become a better trader while making some profits, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment, but for now, let's get into Gala. Again, so technically there's no indication of it being bullish or bearish right now. But then fundamentally, what we have to do is take a look at the open interest and the volume, which are decreasing right now. Like it was very high right here, but now you can see a clear downtrend since Wednesday, both in open interest and volume, which means it's losing momentum. And if there's one thing you need for a bullish breakout, which the main resistance level is still between 1.5 and 1.525, if you want to break above that, you need momentum. So it doesn't look likely that Gala will right now get a bullish breakout. And then on the other hand, like the market will be very volatile due to the unrest in the world and etc. So a lot is possible in a very short period of time, in the next 24 hours or 48 hours. It depends a lot on Bitcoin as well, but Gala in general, like the tokenomics are not amazing, because due to the tokenomics, what you see, especially right now, is that there's a huge amount of inflation every single day. Like you can see the daily burns right here, which, you know, sometimes is 50,000, sometimes it gets near to 100,000. Great. But then you take a look at the daily minted Gala, and that's almost every day. It's above 5 million. Like the 5th of October, it was 60 million Gala, which is crazy, right? Because the circulating supply is just increasing and increasing. So naturally, because the supply increases and the demand does not necessarily, especially not in a bear market, the price will drop down. So unless Gala regains some momentum either by itself or because of Bitcoin, which is possible, but unless it gets that, it will just slowly drop back down towards 1.4. And then if it doesn't get momentum, it will drop down to 1.3 and then to 1.25, because the supply is just increasing. Like more and more Gala is on the markets to be dumped on people, and the demand is not necessarily increasing. So the demand could increase if Gala will push up again, or if Bitcoin becomes very bullish. That's all possible, and I will keep you updated on that. But for now, the most likely scenario we have to assume is that Gala will continue falling. So that's my take on Gala. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.